BMW Financial Services is now officially entangled in a third-party data breach after Texas-based fintech vendor AIS confirmed it was compromised by cybercriminals earlier this year. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. While the incident only impacted a limited pool of just under 2,000 individuals, it's raising alarms about the cascading risks of supply chain vulnerabilities in the financial sector. AIS, short for Account Information Services, offers monitoring and legal processing services to companies like BMW Financial Services. In this case, they were managing sensitive data for BMW customers when suspicious activity was detected on February 18, 2025. According to the investigation, the attackers had been inside the AIS network for 2 full days, beginning on February 16th. By the time the breach was confirmed, some customer data had already been stolen. Now here's where it gets murky. The breach notification letter confirms only that names were involved, without disclosing what other data elements may have been exposed. It's not clear if addresses, social security numbers, or financial details were affected. AIS insists that BMW Financial Services' own systems and databases were not compromised, and this was purely a vendor-side breach. But given that just over 1,950 people were impacted and only 2 main residents specifically identified in disclosures, it's clear that the scope was very targeted. Still, this breach is a wake-up call for enterprise-level risk management. Even when your own systems are secure, your third-party vendors may become the weakest link. AIS has offered 12 months of Equifax credit monitoring and identity protection to the affected individuals, but concerns remain, especially as breach notification letters continue to omit key details. It's another reminder that third-party supply chain attacks are one of the fastest-growing vectors for cybercrime. Companies must go beyond their own network perimeter and scrutinize how partners handle sensitive data. While this breach might not make front-page headlines due to its small size, it underscores the importance of vendor security, especially in financial services, where trust and data sensitivity are paramount. And now a word from our sponsor. Get a 300 terabytes Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault, HYCU, immutable, and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $17,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Subscribe for more cybersecurity news, and don't forget to like this video. Until next time.